Hey, Billy Bob, you home in there? Come on, man, I'm the one that broke you out of prison. You said you'd give me 5 cents. Seriously, though, Billy Bob did promise me 5 cents if I broke him out of prison. Hey, hello everyone. Today we are out here at Calico, California, out in the Mojave Desert, up in Calico Mountains, something like that. That's right, everybody. We are up here in Calico Mountains in Calico, California, out here in the Mojave Desert area. How do you know when you're in Mojave Desert? When your face melts. When your face melts. This is a ghost town. It is formerly a silver mine, and it was established in 1881. Now, let's not forget, we have Walter Knott, the owner of Knott's Berry Farm, to thank for reviving this town. That's right, folks. In the 1950s, Walter Knott purchased this town and rebuilt all of the buildings exactly like it looked in the 1880s. I heard of this saloon. I heard it's pretty dangerous. I heard this place works you to the bone. Well, sir, I would say that you got a mighty fine mustache. I would definitely say that there's a backstory to this one. Seriously though, that barber is up to something. He's up to no good. That face he's making, thinking that something's up here. Now, did she also get her hair cut here? Because that's not good advertisement. I think this is where Sinead O'Connor got her look from. I'm positive.
Yes.
I heard you got the good stuff.
Oh, do you mean the Reese's peanut butter cup?
I'm here to free Billy Bob. Billy Bob. You in there? Billy Bob? This is what happens when you try to save your cousin Billy Bob from the jail. So this is the second ghost town that I've been to in 2 days. This one here is a California ghost town, and the other one was in Arizona. Yeah, okay, this makes 2 ghost towns, as I was saying earlier, in a row. So I went to Oatman, not oatmeal like I almost always want to say, Oatman. Oatman is in Arizona, and Calico here is in California. Both super amazing in their own right. Need to be seen. Cool. This is more history and mining tools. One of the best inventions, the wheelbarrow. That's right, the wheelbarrow. Apparently, the Calico Mines District flourished from 1880 to the end of the 19th century, then continue a more modest fashion until 1940. So the District of California in Calico Mines gathered over $20 million in revenue. Wow, that's a lot of silver. So in 1890, silver lost its value significantly, I believe, shutting down many silver mines across America, including Calico. So this is a house made out of bottles. Bottles and mud, I'm sure. Or some kind of clay, anyway. But Unfortunately, it's closed right now, so I cannot go in. I am here quite early, so a lot of places aren't open yet. But look at this. Look at this. How many bottles does it take to make a tiny bottle house? That's the question. Seriously, I would like to know how many bottles are in this house. How many bottles? And how much drinking did you actually have to do to get this thing done?
Billy Bob, I'm almost finished with this house. I just need to drink 50 more beers. Seriously, Billy Bob, I'm almost done with this house. I just need to drink 60 more beers. Just 60 more.
Even though we can't go into the glass bottle house, we can take a peek inside.
I forgot you. I don't know why I left you behind. I'm sorry.
Oh, damn it, Billy Bob, you're giving away the illusion. Seriously, there is a lot to cover here. Like I said, not a lot of places are open at the moment, so I can't go into some of the buildings. Some of the buildings I can right now, they're already open. Other buildings aren't quite open yet, but there is a lot to see here for $8. You can bring the family here and seriously spend most of the day. Right, partner? Wait, where's your nose? Seriously, where's his nose? Seriously, guys, I'm worried. Where was that guy's nose? Hey, there you are, Billy Bob. Seriously, if that's not Billy Bob, I don't know who Billy Bob is. Oh yeah, if you're a fat schlub like me, out of shape, there's just a wee bit of hiking here. Just be ready for that. Seriously, this house rocks. I'm sorry. To see it as a vlogger code, you have to at least do 5 really bad vlogger jokes throughout a vlog. It's not my fault. I have to fulfill the code. I'm sorry. I don't even know what this thing is. It's like a little cave with a door right here. And I want to say, this is just a hunch. The creepiest guy in the world lives here. Just saying. Either that or the Flintstones, but I don't think Fred would fit in this place very well. Do you? Really, this is something else. You don't see this kind of stuff every day. You get amazed really easily. I told you, Mojave Desert, face melt. It's happening right now, folks. Hey, Beavis. That says glory hole. yeah, butthead. This ain't scary back here. I know, if I lose my equilibrium here, it's not scary. I mean, it's not that far down.
Hey, Billy Bob, you home in there? Come on, man, I'm the one that broke you out of prison. You said you'd give me 5 cents.
Seriously, though, Billy Bob did promise me 5 cents. If I broke him out of prison, I'll never do that for Billy Bob again. Now let's go down, deep down into what and where the mines, the silver mines were. Heading down. This is spooky. Look, I'm sure this place is haunted, like every other place in America. God darn it, we can't go down. I guess I can't fake spooky ghosts and all that now. Guys, I'm only half kidding when I say my face is melting. Seriously, I should be used to this by now. I mean, I've been in and out of the deserts of both Nevada and Arizona and California, so you would think that I'd be used to my face melting, but I'm not. Photo op. What am I? I'm a student. I would rather be the teacher. Get to class. Speaking of getting to class, let's go to school. Now, I'm not too positive of what buildings have been refurbished and rebuilt to look like the 1880s and which buildings are the originals, because there are a few buildings here that are supposedly the original, didn't need to be rebuilt. It's the original from 1880. Now, I'm gonna throw out a guess. I'm gonna say that the school here is one of the originals. Did I get it right? I don't know. If I did, then I win. I was wrong, guys. I lose. This original building was built in 1885, and apparently Walter built the replica in 1950. I say you can't get them all right all the time, right? Oh, you're in the doghouse now. You're in Dorsey's doghouse. Hello, I'm in the casket. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for joining me here. And Billy Bob, if you're watching, I appreciate you being in my video, man. Don't forget to subscribe, Billy Bob. And hey, everybody else, if you're not subscribed, the best way you can help my channel out is by simply subscribing. And I will see you all, y'all, in the next video. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Bye-bye.